Hey everyone, Varun here once again from Language Academy. Very proud and excited to have Nigam with me today. Our latest champion smashed 8 each in PTE and overall score of 88 with 82 in listening, 87 reading, a perfect 90 in speaking and 84 in writing. Congratulations,
Thank
Nigam.
you so much.
Well done, man. It's a very great score. Let's start it this way, Nigam.
Yep.
When you came here, you were getting scores in speaking, but
Yes.
in listening and writing, you were around 72, 73 and so on, right?
Correct.
And from the very first day, we knew that you are going to do it. You were very good, but again, you were not really sure that what you are missing out on.
Right.
And after that as well, in 2 or 3 attempts, you were just missing by 1, 2 or 3 points.
Correct.
Despite the fact that each and everything we were doing was perfect. We were not
Yes.
really sure what the mistake is. And you at one point even told me, will I be able to do it or not? What was your motivation? What kept you going? Because there are a lot of students out there who are at the same situation as you were, and
Yes.
they have lost their hopes. They are not really sure if they should go for the exam again or not. What was your motivation to go for it again and smash it with 9 bands overall?
My motivation to all the students out there would be that don't ever give up, never quit, because you're definitely going to make in PT. You just need to work hard on yourself and believe in your tutor. If he says you can do it, then definitely you can do that.
That's right guys. So you have to believe in yourself, you have to practice, and then PT is crackable. It's not like I can't do it or you can't do it. All of us can do it, but yes, you have to work hard, practice in the right direction, and then have proper feedback that what mistakes you are making. Let's come to your listening. One of the section we were scared about, right? We were sure that yes, we'll get in reading, we will get in speaking, but listening was something which we were scared about, right? What do you think is important for listening? Because this time you have got 82 in listening, which is a very good score, I'll say.
For listening, I would say focus more on your right from dictations, fill in the blanks and summarize spoken text, which considers most of the marks, and you make most of the mistakes in these sections which are not really identifiable to you. So focus more on this and don't make mistakes on that.
That's right guys. So it's very important, focus on your right from dictation, summarize spoken text and fill in the blanks as well.
Correct.
Like you were missing S and AD sounds at the end.
Yes.
So it's very important you are very attentive and listen carefully whenever you are attempting your listening, fill in the blanks, because they are going to give you a lot of points in listening and writing as well. Let's talk about your writing. Your writing essays were very good, but the very first day you came here, you told that you are not getting scores in writing and my essays are not that good. But your essays were very good. What do you think is important for writing?
For me, I thought writing will get marks from essays, but then that was wrong, really wrong. I would get my writing marks from my listening, right from dictation, and fill in the blanks. So again, listening is more important for writing marks as well, rather than writing essays itself.
That's right guys. Very important to understand how marking system works, because a lot of times students are not really getting their scores in writing or reading, and most of the time that section is not really the reason behind that. Some other section or other task is. So it's very important you do a mock test, as we did in your case as well, and see what mistake you are making and figure out the task which you are making mistake in and work on that. Nigam, let's wrap it off. Any final piece of advice for students out there who are going for the exam? How should they prepare? How much should they practice? And what all things they need to consider before they go for the exam again?
My only advice would be that practice as much as you can, and always go with the confidence. Never fumble your voice in your speaking, and just go with your confidence. That's all.
That's right guys, confidence is the key. He had I remember you came out of the exam room and he called me and he told me, I'm going to do it this time, right?
Yeah.
I am going to do it this time. He was confident. I told you that go there, don't think that I can't do it, just go relaxed and do your 110%. Guys, be very confident, believe in yourself, practice hard, practice on the right material, and then get the feedback as well, which will help you to get over the line as well. Once again, congratulations,
Thank
Nigam,
you so much,
well done. So happy and proud of you. And that's it from this video guys. We'll see you very soon in another video. Thanks guys.